Hey guys, this is Jam, JamOnline.ph, and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look on the 8807 RC drone. So this drone is actually a good looking drone and it's really affordable. It's available at Steve Kyle Marketing Corporation for 2,398 pesos for the 0.3 megapixels and 2,898 pesos for the 2 megapixel variant. So I suggest that you get the 2 megapixel variant para mas maganda yung quality na makuha nyo. And of course, first things first, let's talk about the specifications of the 8807 RC drone. So the drone comes with either 0.3 megapixels or 2 megapixels camera. There's a flying time of 5 to 8 minutes, a flying range of 50 to 100 meters, a detailed control range of up to 80 meters. So I suggest na huwag na kayong lumayo sa 80 meters. And then of course, meron charging time of 70 minutes. The battery is a 3.7 volts, 900 milliamperes, and it features altitude hold and headless mode function. So there's also an application that's available sa Play Store and also sa App Store if you want. So wala nang magiging problema doon. Pero yeah, let's unbox and let's take a closer look on this RC drone. So as you can see here, got here the box. The RC drone is here. Opening this one. Ayan. So we have here the controller that is similar to other drones that we have unboxed before. So mamaya pag-usapan natin yung camera, but first let's talk about what's in the box of the 8807 drone. So we got here, of course, the screwdriver. Okay, this is actually nice. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang, buksan natin. So this is actually the screwdriver, basic. We got here, of course, USB to charging port, which is this one. So this one is the battery. For the battery, yan. You actually need this one for charging. And then this one is actually the cap for the propeller. So dun sa propeller nyo, meron kayong cap doon. So in case na mawala nyo yung cap, wala kayong magiging problema. Meron kayo nito. So in case mawala nyo, okay lang guys. Then of course, we got here the drone. Yan. Usapan natin mamaya ito. Let's take it over here. Again, we got some free propellers inside. We got 4 free propellers on this drone. And of course, we got here 4 propeller guards. So to protect you, or to protect yung propeller mismo ng drone para in case na mag-crash siya, protect niya yung propellers. And of course, sa mga nagpapalipad, pag lumapit sa inyo yung drone, protektahan kayo against the propeller. So, iwas sugat para sa inyong lahat, guys. And of course, we got here the clip for the smartphone. Yan. Then we have here the manual. And of course, the manual for the application is available sa Play Store or App Store. One is in Chinese, this one is in English. So, what are we waiting for? So, let's unbox this. Let's check out this one. So, just to give you guys an idea, hindi siya basta-basta binubuksan na ganito. You actually need to press this button over here. Yan. So, there's a silver button over here na kailangan pindutin bago mo actually iyan yung propeller. So, gusto ko siya, actually, sa mga users, guys, beware, huwag niyo basta-basta biglayin itong drone na to. Pero sa mga drone users, I believe this one is really useful kasi it adds to the solid and build quality of the drone. So para mas solid siya hawakan, mas solid siya i-operate. And as you can see, this one is a pretty good size. The build quality is actually made of plastic. There's a little bit of hollow feeling here, but I actually like the build quality. It's more solid than I expected. It's not the most solid though, but for its price, I wouldn't complain. We got here the propeller, which is a really good propeller. This one, really good solid build over here. And then below we got here the battery. So you actually need to unscrew this one. Then yeah, slide here, and then you can actually check out the battery over here. So the thing about the battery is that nakaganto yung battery niya. So lumalabas yung battery niya. Though it has some protection, I suggest though na iwasan nyo pa din na ilabas siya palagi or ibabad sa init. Because it might damage the battery of the drone. So you also have here the charger. Kasi again, when you slide it up, you can see here, there's a port over here. Saksak nyo lang to. Yan. Then saksak nyo yung drone, yung battery nyo dito sa USB, and then the USB dito sa charger nyo. Then you can actually operate the drone na after that. Then of course, if you want to operate the drone itself, you can actually use this battery and plug in here sa port, isang port sa loob. There we go. So your next problem is how to fit the battery on the drone itself. So you actually have to slide it like this. Yan. So parang tago siya. Be sure na walang madadamay doon. Then plug it here. Then screw nyo lang kung meron kayo screw. Then there we go. It's actually really cool. And then we also got here the camera. So it's a 0.3 or 2 megapixels camera. It's up to you. Hold the bottom at the bottom to unfold it. Yan. So actually may nakalagay dito yung regarding sa button para ma-operate yung kanyang ma-fold siya o hindi. Okay, so it's actually easy to operate. So you only have to hold this one. Then as you can see, we got here some LED lights. I actually thought it was green, but it's actually red. We got 2 red LEDs over here and 2 green LEDs over here. We also got here some blue LEDs, which is para sa unahan pag nagpapalipad kayo. Again, the LED is really useful, especially if you're flying at night. You can see your drone sa gabi. This one is really useful and meron kay LED light. So this one is a good looking drone. I like the colors, I like the feel, I like its build quality. Of course, the camera, it's up to you, 0.3 or 2 megapixels. It's up to you kung ano yung kukunin nyo. But again, I like the build quality of this one. If you want to add some feet to this one, in case I yung gamitin ito, there's actually an available, sorry, it's not a feet. If you want to add some guards, you can actually use these guards over here. So yan, iyan nyo lang siya dito. Sasaksak nyo lang siya dito sa side. Yan. And there we go. I mean, actually don't have to force yourself yan. Madali lang siya. Saksak nyo lang ng ganito. Yan. There we go. You have here the propeller guards. Then you have a drone. You can actually fly this drone anywhere you wanted, as long as hindi sa airport, as long as di kayo makakadamay ng iba. Wala kayong magiging problema with this one. This one is a really affordable drone at 2,598 for I believe the 0.2 megapixels. Yeah, it's 2,598. I have to check on my paper over here. So yeah, it's 2,598 and 2,898 for the 2 megapixels. Really cool. Propeller guards, solid build. I really had no problems at all except for the battery na medyo expose yung battery once na mabuksan na to. So I really suggest that you screw this one for protection. So yeah guys, that's it for unboxing hands-on na itong 8807 RC drone. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, jumonline.ph, and thanks for watching your unboxing hands-on of the 8807 RC drone.